Hello everyone, this is Devleena Ghosh, a mindful strategic thought leader and a clinical psychologist. I specialize in couples counseling and family therapy, and I help urban women deal with their relationship issues. Today's video is very special to me. This is something that I've never done before. More than 1,000 workshops, more than 100 videos, a lot of one-to-one sessions with couples, with parents, but I have never done this one particular addressal. I've often spoken about parent-child relationship. I've often spoken about mothers, role of a mother, how a mother can improve her relationship with her child, but I've never really addressed the men folks. So when I was doing this series on how to better your mental health in 2021, keeping in mind how you can improve your relationships with self and others, I realized that this is one gap. Nobody really tells a man how to be a better father. Like everything else, in terms of a relationship, we learn through trial and error. We often wish that we knew exactly what to do as a parent to be a better parent. So we will try and have some concrete discussion today in terms of pointers and see if you can practice this daily, you definitely will be a better father in 2021. The first point is you need to love their mother. You need to appreciate their mother. You need to show some respect to the mother. That way the child will feel extremely secured in the present. Also, the child will have a role model of how a man should be when he or she grows up. This will create a healthy relationship as a grown-up. The next one is, we often talk about our successes to our children. We love to boast about successes to our children. Now, the thing is, we also need to talk about our failures. We also need to talk about our trials and tribulations and what we learned from our failures. This gives a very healthy balance to children. Children realize that you can't succeed all the time, but just because you failed at something, you don't give up. So this is something that you, the father, can teach your child. The next one is, you can show your child leadership skills because you are the leader of the pack, of this family pack, your family pack. So how you lead this pack will teach the child how a leader or how a man should be. If it's your daughter, you know what your daughter should look up to a man. If it's your son, you teach your son how to be as a man, as a father. So this will take them a long way. The next one is, you need to be present. I know you have a lot of work. I know sometimes you're juggling too many things. There might be a lot of stressors. There might be a lot of time crunch. But if you are a clued in father, if you are someone who desires connect with your child, if you want your child to actually realize that you're there for the child, you need to spend that quality time with the child, where it could be even for 15 minutes, but you switch off all your gadgets then. The next one is, you need to show your child that you love him or her regardless of the choices he or she makes. I see a lot of young adults who come to therapy and their main issue is feeling a strong parental disapproval because of the choices they make. Sometimes it's their partners, sometimes it could be a career choice. And they realize that their parents are not in support of it, and that breaks them at a very different level. Whatever be the choice of the child, you still love the child. This is something that you need to instill in the child. The next one is, your child needs you to affirm him or her, to tell him or her that he or she is the best thing that has happened to you. You actually love your child so much. Most fathers love their children to bits, but are not taught how to communicate that love. So today, make that conscious effort that every day I will do some small little thing or say something which will tell my child that I totally affirm you. I'm totally there for you. The last one is, your child needs you to be loving yet in a disciplinarian way. I see two kinds of fathers. One who's overindulgent and who's all loving and who's constantly giving and constantly indulgent. And the other, that kind of father has no boundaries, no discipline, the child can get away with murder. The other is the disciplinarian, the authoritarian. We need to strike a balance between the two. So these were the pointers for the father to better yourself in the role of a father in 2021. Hope this video is helpful. If you find this helpful, do like and subscribe. Thank you.